Hello. Thank you for coming at the Africa Center. Merci d'être venu à Africa Center. So today we have a workshop about right, responsibility, and privilege of a worker in Alberta. So this workshop is intended to give to people some tools, what they call soft skills. Because as you know, when we come here as immigrants, we do have a job, we do sometimes have education and skills, but the thing is, we don't know how it works here regarding what they call soft skills, how it works in the workplace, what is the payment of earning, what is the minimum wage, what is the payroll records. We don't know all these things, and we need to know that as a newcomer here in Alberta. So this workshop is intended to give to these people, to give to our people, our community, this information about work. I hope everyone will enjoy it, and then if you have a question, anything, I'm Jeanne Lehman. I'm the coordinator of Women and Men Conversation Café here at Africa Center. Thank you. Bonjour, merci d'être venu à Africa Center. C'est vraiment un privilège de vous accueillir ici aujourd'hui pour cette session d'information sur les droits, les privilèges et les responsabilités d'un travailleur ici en Alberta. Comme vous savez, lorsque nous venons ici en tant qu'immigrants, on arrive avec beaucoup de connaissances, on arrive avec, c'est vrai, notre éducation, avec notre expérience. On peut même avoir du travail et on a souvent le travail, mais est-ce qu'on peut le garder? C'est ça souvent la question, parce que quelquefois on n'arrive pas à garder notre travail parce que tout simplement nous ne savons pas comment ça se passe ici. Ça, c'est vraiment ce que cette session d'information va faire aujourd'hui, c'est de permettre à nos communautés de comprendre comment marche le lieu de travail, comment est-ce qu'ils doivent agir concernant par exemple la paye, concernant les vacances, concernant par exemple concernant par exemple donc les vacances, la paye et aussi tout ce qui tourne autour du travail, quels sont leurs droits et leurs responsabilités. Donc c'est j'allais dire workshop, mais on appelle plutôt cet atelier d'aujourd'hui va permettre de donner des outils à notre communauté pour pouvoir mieux s'outiller pour le travail qu'ils ont à faire ici. Nous vous remercions vraiment d'être venus et nous espérons que vous allez apprendre beaucoup d'informations et que ces informations vont vous aider pour pouvoir mieux évoluer et être beaucoup plus productif dans votre travail. Merci encore.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Paulette Jones, and I'm here at the African Center because I was invited to be here for a information session on right, responsibility, and privilege of worker in Alberta. I can say I am new to Alberta. I have traveled various countries in the past. I am a Canadian citizen, so I'm now here in Alberta seeking employment. I am a social worker registered with Alberta College of Social Work. I am here, and this session is very important to me because I want to know and learn what the rules and regulations are in terms of employment, how do you go about it, and various other avenues that might make it easier for me to land with a job. I'm presently seeking employment as a social worker, coordinator. I am a people's person. I have had 19 years of experience in social work, working with the geriatric population, working with children, working with adults. Here I am. I'm ready and energetic to go out and give people what they need to help them with whatever they're up against, the needs of people, working with them one-on-one, in groups, in the community. I am here to visit any communities or any organization to learn more of Alberta way of life and all that there is to learn. New immigrants are here, and because I have traveled, for example, to Africa, I'm a Jamaican as well, I'm a Canadian, I can give insights into a lot of areas. So from that perspective, I would encourage people, once they know, and I'm willing to help, to advocate, and to seek help for those who are in need, people who does not understand, who are new immigrants, and they have no clue as to where to turn, what to do. And especially, they might not be conversant with the snow, so people are afraid of going out to reach out because they're afraid of the snow. So here again, simple things can be a factor. So from that perspective, you've heard me, what I have to say, and I have lots more to say, but time is limited. So here we go. Thanks again. And I'm here to spread the word to other diverse population, those who are not necessarily from Africa, but from other countries, and to give them as much as I can offer. Thank you very much. My name is Paulette Jones.